Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an aesthetic rounded text on CapCut. So first, you need to finish your edits, and after that, you can just add the text that you want. I'm going to just add a short text, aesthetic text for example, and then after that you don't need to add stroke, canvas or shadow, so you can just add some just plain text like this. And next you can just go to animations and then click on loop, and in here find the rotate animations. You can use surrounding or you can also use rotate. Where is it? Okay, this one. So I'm going to just use this one, and it will go like this, like that, and you can just adjust the speed to your liking. So for example, I want to go with 2 seconds, and after that you can just click on a check icon, and there you go, your rounded text will be in your video. Okay, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, click on the thanks below, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.